Most people get this wrong. When their card stops working, they immediately assume the system is broken. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring the real cause behind the failure. In this video, we are breaking down why your Arro card may not be working in 2026 and exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's start with the basics. When a fintech card like the Arro card stops working, it is usually not a random error. It is almost always linked to account status, verification issues, or transaction limits. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first and most common issue is account verification. If your identity verification is incomplete or outdated, your transactions can be restricted without warning. So if Alex tries to use his card and it suddenly declines, the first thing to check is whether his account is fully verified, including ID and linked bank details. But here's the problem most users miss. Even if your account is verified, your card can still stop working due to risk flags. These systems automatically monitor spending patterns to prevent fraud. Let's break it down step by step. First, check your balance and funding source. If your linked account has insufficient funds or failed transfers, your card will not process payments. Second, look at transaction limits. Many fintech cards have daily or weekly limits that are not always clearly displayed. If Jake hits those limits, transactions will decline until the reset period. Now here's where things get more important. Network issues and merchant restrictions can also cause failures. Some merchants or payment processors do not accept certain card types, especially virtual or fintech-issued cards. Third, app and system updates matter more than people realize. If your app is outdated, payment authorization can fail, even if everything else is correct. In a minute, I'll show you a quick reset method that fixes most Arro card issues in under 2 minutes without contacting support. Now let's simplify the fix process. Start by logging into your account and checking verification status. Then confirm your balance, review any recent alerts, and check for spending limits or restrictions. After that, update the app and restart your device to refresh payment sync. If the issue still continues, temporarily unlink and relink your funding source. This often resets authorization pathways and clears hidden glitches. Let's summarize everything clearly. If your Arro card is not working in 2026, the cause is usually one of 4 things: verification issues, insufficient funds, spending limits, or system and merchant restrictions. Most problems can be fixed by checking account status and refreshing your app connection. If this helped you fix your Arro card issue, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and fast financial troubleshooting guides like this.